Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brie, and today I'm going to be reviewing the May 2020 Boxycharm. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, check out my channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button down below. And now let's get into it. Okay, so this is what the box always looks like. The inside has some bubble wrap on it, and then it was a little neater than this, but I already used the product, so I can show you how to apply it or like review them and show you if they work or not. So the first product that I want to talk about is the product that I pick. You guys get to pick a product, only one product in your box per month, and for this one I picked the Glam Glow. I've had this, like a little sample of it, and it was okay, but it was like the best one that I saw out of all of the options to choose from, besides one. I really wanted the Hourglass glow vanishing stick because I love that foundation so much, so I wanted to try the highlighting stick, but they were out of stock before I even got to pick my choice option, so I went with the Glam Glow, and this retails for $49. I'm pretty sure this was the most expensive, and it says a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin biome. I think that's how you say it. Like I said, I've tried this before. It was just a sample, so I only used it like 3 or 4 times. And I mean, I didn't think it was anything like spectacular, but I really wanted to use it more than 3 or 4 times here and there. So I want to give this a good fair shot, and then I'll let you guys know in the description below if I like it or not. Okay, then the next product is this concealer stick that retails for $24. It came in this box. It's in the shade Porcelain. I'm not a porcelain type of girl, not at all, but I wanted to give it a fair go, try it out, because you never know. I like a lighter under eye sometimes, but porcelain's like really light. So this concealer says, finally you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. So as you can see, it's a crayon type of stick, and then on the opposite end it has a little smudge to kind of buff it out with. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I do not like this stick. This is not for me. Maybe it's for some people, but this is definitely not up my alley. I'm just not fond of it. I don't think it works very well. It was very hard to blend out, like incredibly hard. I just couldn't use it. I didn't even leave it by itself. I just like added my actual concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape on top, and then like carried out the rest of my routine. But besides that, I'm not a fan of this, and I won't be using it again. Kind of sad about that, because I mean, I don't want to waste products. I don't like wasting makeup, but maybe I'll give it to my mom or something so that someone else can give it a go. Maybe they'll like it more than I did. And then next up is this Violet Voss Essentials palette. So I do like the palette, and it is currently on my eyes. So this is what the finished product looks like. The only thing about this palette is it's very, very similar to a lot of my other palettes, like incredibly similar. So it's not something I would have gone out of my way to use. It works very well. Like, it's a really good palette. I just feel like I don't need it in my collection anymore, but I wanted to give it a try so that you guys can see how it applies and what it looks like. But I think I will be giving this to my sister, because like I said, I think I have like 5 palettes that look exactly like this. Like the Fenty one that I got in March, Premium Boxycharm. The Boxycharm palette itself, I like custom made my own Kylie one. Like I have a bunch of palettes that look identical to this, so I'm just going to be passing this along to my sister. But to create this eye look, all I did was I applied sand in my crease and blended that out. It blended out smoothly. I had to put a few coats of it on and like blend it out a few times, but no patchiness, no nothing. It was fine. And then I went in with terracotta, and I just put that a little bit closer into my crease, so a bit more narrow under sand, so that sand could still be poking out at the top. Again, it worked very nicely, very smooth, blended out. It was perfectly fine. Then I went in with gold and cream and mixed them on my eyelid. I first applied gold, and it was very pigmented, a little bit too gold for my liking. Like, it's the perfect shade of gold. So I just went in with cream. It's kind of like a frost white, and I put that on top so that it can dim down the gold a bit. And then on my outer corner I put cinnamon and blended that. I actually do really, really like this brown. Kind of unfortunate, like I wish I had that brown as like a single, because I like how it has a little red tint to it. It's like a purpley brown with like a berry undertone more than just a true brown, which I do really enjoy those browns more than like a really dark basic brown. And then I put emerald in my inner corner. Again, a little too in your face for me, so then I just put cream on top of it to settle it out a bit. So like I said, I do really like this palette, but I think I will be handing this over to my sister. Yeah, I have no more room for palettes and I really don't need it. So next I got this Seraphine Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. And it says a revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crystals into a rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and coconut butters to help keep oh my god, I can't speak. To help keep lips exfoliated, silky, smooth, and protect. So the minute I got my Boxycharm, I actually went in and applied this because I was really excited. I love lip treatments of all sorts of kind. So as soon as I saw it was vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, all the good stuff you want to make sure you are applying to your face and skin, because again, you don't want toxic ingredients in your bloodstream. I immediately put this on and I like it. I like it a lot. I don't think it necessarily fully does what it says, so it kind of takes a while to melt those crystals into your lips and exfoliate the dead skin off. But I will continue to be using this because I do really like it, and I think it smells like a hint of watermelon-ish. I don't know. I really like this. This is $24, so I mean, kind of pricey for a lip scrub, but comes with a lot, and I think this will last a pretty long time. Then lastly, I did not use this because it is this lip liner. It is by Gerard Cosmetics. It's a lip pencil, the lip liner of your dreams, creamy and pigmented, yet long lasting to help complement any lip color, any lip look. Personally, this color is not, I would not wear this right now. I would wear this in the fall time, the winter time, but not while we're going into summer. It's like this really deep, dark berry shade, and I'll give you guys like a little swatch of it. So like, I really do like the color, and I actually have a matte lipstick from Too Faced that would go perfect with this, but like I said, I'm just gonna save it for the fall time and the winter time, which is a long time away, but I'm not gonna be using any type of dark shade on my lips anytime soon. So yeah, I was kind of bummed out that I got this in this Boxycharm, and that lip pencil is $16. So my Boxycharm adds up to, wait, let me do the math, 24, 48, 64. So I believe my Boxycharm adds up to $142. As I say in almost every video, I record on my phone, so I don't really have the calculator, so I kind of just did that mentally. Hope I did that right. Pretty good with math, but I don't know. I didn't check myself or anything, but I think it does add up to $142. So overall, I'm like 50-50 on my Boxycharm. Honestly, I feel like I'm more so 50-50 or like even less than 50% pleased with my Boxycharm the past 3 months. The best one that I ever got was the Fenty Premium, and that was because I knew I would really like most of the products. This one, I, again, do really like the palette, but they literally sent me palettes like that in the past, so I could have lived without it. And the concealer, no thank you. But then the other 3 products I do like. I just wouldn't be getting use out of the lip liner anytime soon. So that's why I said 50-50, because I like 3 out of 5, but I won't be using one for a long time. So that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That would mean the world to me and help me out so much. And hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!